Welcome back. Pima Medical Institute has an amazing nursing program, and they are honoring nursing assistants. Laura, we know that nurses are so important, and so are nursing assistants, and that's why Nursing Assistants Day you guys are celebrating. So tell me a little bit about the program you have at Pima Medical Institute.
Okay, we have, our program is approximately 5 weeks in length. You can pick from either a morning class, afternoon, or evening class. Okay, we have the 2 campuses in the East Valley, the one off of Dobson Road, and the other one is Power Road. That's considered the East Valley campus. The other one is the Mesa campus. And what it consists of is it is 4 weeks of didactic or lecture. And in those 4 weeks, you also learn 21 skills, which are the basic nursing assistant skills you need to learn to be able to pass the state exam. And they are the skills that you'll be using every day when you're taking care of individuals in all types of settings. And then the 5th week is you take everything you've learned and we go out to a clinical setting and you are performing the tasks on individuals, on residents or patients, depending on the type of setting. And you have a clinic, you're paired one-on-one with an actual CNA, and they're there to help you, to guide you to do the skills. And you also have an instructor there to watch how you're doing and to help you as you need also.
So, wow. Okay, what does a nursing assistant do actually? Because I know you were talking about nursing and then there's nursing assistant. What's the difference there?
Well, for a nurse, it's a longer program, and then you take a national exam and you become licensed as a nurse, and you can do diagnoses, you can do care plans, you can do more tasks such as administering medications, IV medications, starting IVs, and you're doing assessment of the patient, okay, or resident. A nursing assistant is an extension of the nurse. Basically, the nursing assistant is the eyes and ears of the nurse. They are spending most of the time with the resident or patient. What they are doing is they are taking vital signs. Vital signs comprise of when you go to your doctor's office, the vital signs that are consistent, the same, like your temperature, your pulse, your respiration, also your blood pressure, the pulse oximetry. They put the little device on your finger to see what your oxygen saturation is. They also, the other skills that they do is they do anything related to activities of daily living, such as helping someone to the toilet, helping them use a bedpan, cleaning them up. We call that pericare for both a female and male. Doing bed baths, ambulating them. Ambulation is called walking. You walk them with a gait belt so they do not fall. You help them with picking out clothes, dressing them. You are getting them water. You are helping them fill out their menus. You also are maybe will be helping feed them, depending on what their diagnosis, if they've had a stroke and need assistance. So you're basically in there doing anything that the person cannot do for themselves. So think of yourself getting ready for a day, and if there's something you could not do, they would be there to help you do that.
So, and what's one tip you can give somebody if they're thinking about getting into the nursing field?
Whether that you're going to become a nurse or a nursing assistant, it is a very rewarding job. You need to be caring, okay? You need to want to help other people. That makes a huge difference. It is very rewarding. Are there days that are tough? Yes, there is. But it is very rewarding to see the smile on someone's face when you've helped them. You know, even if you see them, let's say that you've been working with them to, they've had a stroke, to be able to take a step on their own, and you can see that they can take a step on their own, or they can bring the spoon or up to their own mouth to feed themselves. That is very rewarding. So I encourage everyone to go into the nursing or nursing assistant field. I do feel being a nursing assistant gives you a good base to be able to see if that's what you want to do. And then from there, you can go on to further your career.
That is so great, and we know that Pima Medical Institute has one of the amazing nursing programs. So thank you very much.
You are welcome.